Let's start stopwatch. At first, give the background, give the body, body. I don't know what's happened. Background of this color, and this one is this color. Let's give 130 pixel. Display flex. I am gonna use display grid. Place items. Center. Oh, that's good. Now let's give it a main M. Okay. And give it position of relatives, so I can create two divs. Div 1 and 2. Which one is left and right? Okay. So now left for left. Background of, let's give all divs same color. Div background of this one. Okay. Give it a width of 50 pixel. Position absolute aspect ratio of 1. Then where is it? Background color, link to see. Oh, there it is. Now, well. I have to rotate it first. Rotate 90 degree. Why not? Transform. Oh, rotate 90 degree. Oh, 30. From top 50%. 50% minus 25 pixel, and left, right 100%. 100 pixel, 150, 60, 55, 50, 40, and rotation should be 40, 45. Oh, that's good. And this one 60. This should be 30. 70. Then it is going to be 35. 80 and 40, and let's see. Okay. Oh, it's too big, and this one also 148. Okay. Height 80 pixels, 70. Little bit of rotation of 46, 7, 45, 70, 35. Oh, oh, nice. That's worked very well. Same is for right. And for right, there is gonna left minus 146. Oh, left 140. Then it's done. Then what I am thinking right now is that can I rotate box shadow? Oh. Mm. Oh, oh, oh. This one not a square, right? 330, 40, 42, 460 pixels, and 60 and 150, 15, 20, 60. What is it? What is not coming? Color turn not working. Let's give it a try. Box shadow. Oh, 200 pixel in x-axis, y-axis 0. Minus 50 pixel. Update. Nothing event of 0. Okay. 40, 15, and it is not 200. 160, 180, 170, 165, no, 60, yes, 160, and then minus 40, 40, good. Then it's coming forward, right? Let's go backward again, 10 pixel. Okay, now it's working a little bit. And then if I give it 80 and increase by 30 decrease, then what's happened? Then give it to 30, 35. Oh, it's worked. Then 5 minus 75. Oh, nice. This color, I did it. And for opposite, I have to do the same. Right. So minus 175 pixel 00 minus 35 pixel and this color, and it's 100% match. Let's remove this and this and submit. It is 11 minutes 20 seconds right now, and let's see what happened. Yeah, 100% match, and time is 11 minutes 30 seconds. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.